Hello and welcome to SAP Learning Academy. In this video today I will be telling you about Python language, and this is our first video in Python, so we'll be telling you about the brief introduction of Python, what is Python and how we can use it in the editor. Let me tell you, the Python is a language which is used in machine learning, and Python is one of the important language which is used now in machine learning. So as this is our first video, so we will show you some of the uh, basic functions syntax of Python. So in the later videos we will be uploading further in Python. So first, the good thing about Python is for defining any variable, or if it is an integer, character, string, we can directly define here. We no need to write separately integer or character or string or array. Here we can define it directly. So this is what the one of the important and main feature in Python. Suppose I can use Python as a calculator. How we can use it? Suppose now 2 plus 3 equal to 5. 5 minus 3 is 2. So it is how easy way to find out the result. Similarly, you can do multiplication. 5 into 8 is 40. So as you have understood now, Python, and here we can easily find out the result. So similarly, I can give you another example like a equal to 10, b equal to 20, a plus b is 30. So what we have understood here, so we can directly define any value to any variable. So this is how easy it is. So, and we can give you other examples like word equal to Python. So I'm defining word variable, and now I want to see word 0. So it's showing p. So so it is showing this Python is divided into different array from 0, 1 to 3, 3, 4, 5. Similarly, if I want to see word 5, it will show the last letter of Python. So this is how easy to find our result in Python. And let me tell you again, this is our first video, so we are just telling you about the basic syntax. Yes, so and now we will show you further, like suppose you have a character like A, B, C, D, E, F, whatever. So now you want to see the length of it, so you just write length then S. It will give you the result. So here again, this is the string A, B, C, D, E, F is a string, and it is directly defined in S. Then we are finding out the length. So the basic funda of Python is we can directly define any value, whether it's a string, array, or any integer value, and we can do the calculation and finding. So I hope you have understood about the basic functionalities, and in the further videos we'll be telling you about much into this Python language. So that's all about this video.